This question belongs to software engineering subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014. So the question states, match the following. So here we have waterfall model and we have the following options. Waterfall model, evolutionary model, component based software engineering, spiral development. Options are specification can be developed incrementally, requirements comprise are inevitable, explicit recognition of risks, inflexible partitioning of the project into stages. So let us see the waterfall model first. So this is the diagram for waterfall model. So what is a waterfall model? See, it has these stages: requirement analysis, software design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. So the main drawback of waterfall model is that difficulty of accommodating change after the process is underway. So after we have come to system design model, we can't go back. So one phase has to be completed before moving to the next phase. And after coming to the next phase, we can't go to the previous phase. Thus, inevitable partitioning, option D. Inevitable partitioning of project into distinct stages in waterfall model is there, and it makes it difficult to respond to changing customer requirements. So you basically partition it into inflexible partitioning of project into stages, so that after coming to a stage, we can't go back to the previous stage. So first is mapped to D. Now we have evolutionary model. So this is the diagram for evolutionary model. So in evolutionary model, these are iterative. So these are categorized in a manner that enables the software engineers to develop increasingly more complete versions of software. So this would be mapped to option A. Specification can be developed incrementally. So we can develop the specification incrementally. So 2 is mapped to A. Now we have components based software engineering. So this is the diagram for this. So this one is basically similar to software in this spiral model but has certain components linked to it. So this one is mapped to requirements comprises are inevitable. So option 3 is mapped to B. You can basically map the first, second and fourth, and third one would be left if you want, if you do not get component based software engineering. So fourth one is spiral development. This is the spiral development model. In spiral development, the model is divided into smaller parts and more risky parts are developed earlier, which help in better risk management. And here you can see it has 4 stages, and out of this 4 stages, one of the stages is planning. So we have planning stage, risk analysis stage, we have engineering stage, and we have evaluation stage. Okay, so risk analysis is one of the major stages of spiral model. So this one is mapped to explicit recognition of risk, option C. So correct mapping is D, A, B, C. So option B is correct, D, A, B and C.